At the bank. Let's first learn some useful English words. Statement. There's a charge on my statement I don't recognize. Dispute. I'd like to raise a dispute on this transaction. Unauthorized. If it's found to be unauthorized, the funds will be returned.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, good morning. I have two things I'd like to sort out if possible. The first one is about a charge on my account that I don't recognize.
Of course. Can I pull up your account? I'll just need to verify your identity first. Do you have your bank card and a photo ID?
Yes, right here.
Perfect, thank you. Okay, I can see your account. Which charge are you referring to?
On my statement from last Tuesday, there's a charge for $34.99 to something called Clearstream Solutions. I've never heard of that company, and I definitely didn't authorize this payment.
Let me bring that up. Yes, I can see it here. It was processed on Tuesday the 11th. It looks like it came through as a recurring subscription charge.
A subscription? I don't have a subscription with that company. Is it possible my card details were used without my knowledge?
That's certainly possible. But if you genuinely don't recognize it, we can absolutely raise a dispute.
I'd like to do that. How does the dispute process work?
So once we raise the dispute, the charge will be flagged and investigated. It usually takes between 5 and 10 business days. If the transaction is found to be unauthorized, the funds will be returned to your account in full.
And in the meantime, is the money still gone from my account?
Yes, the charge remains on your account while it's being investigated. We don't issue a provisional credit for amounts under $50, but if the dispute is resolved in your favor, you'll receive the full refund.
Okay. And is there anything I should do on my end, like contact the company directly?
You're not required to, but it can sometimes speed things up. If you can find any communication from them, an email confirmation, a receipt, that would strengthen your case.
I'll check. All right, please go ahead and raise the dispute.
I'll do that right now. You'll receive a confirmation email within the hour, and we'll keep you updated throughout the process.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Must-know phrases. I don't recognize this charge on my account. I don't recognize this charge on my account. I'd like to raise a dispute. I didn't authorize this payment.